Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Salesforce Identity and Access Management Designer. So let's get started. Question number 1, what is a Salesforce connected app? Your answer is: a Salesforce connected app is a means of connecting a mobile app to Salesforce. A connected app provides both the developer and the administrator control over how the app connects and who has access to it. For instance, a connected app can stop access to a set of customers, set or relax an IP range, etc. Question number 2, define PIN security. Your answer is: well, Salesforce PIN protection is an additional layer of security on the Salesforce connected apps. This PIN protection is not the same as the PIN protection on the device, or the login security offered by the Salesforce organization, but is for the mobile app itself. Question number 3, what do you mean by Salesforce Identity? Your answer is: Salesforce Identity helps in connecting a Salesforce organization users with external apps and services while giving administrative tools for monitoring, maintaining, and reporting user authorization and user apps. Question number 4, what is SAML? Your answer is: SAML stands for Security Assertion Markup Language, which is an XML-based protocol that lets you transfer user information between services, such as, from Salesforce to Microsoft 365. Basically, apps use this information to authorize users and enable SSO. Salesforce supports SAML for SSO into Salesforce from an identity provider or corporate portal. Question number 5, explain multi-factor authentication. Your answer is: multi-factor authentication is one of the simplest and most effective tools for improving login security and safeguarding businesses and data against security threats. As one rolls out the Salesforce MFA implementation, one can customize it in order to meet the requirements of the business. Question number 6, what do you know about the App Launcher? Your answer is: the App Launcher offers easy access to the users of apps that are used most often by them, so as to launch Salesforce on premises and connected third-party apps without logging in again. Users go to the App Launcher. The App Launcher displays tiles that link to the available apps. It is available to all Lightning Experience users. However, Salesforce Classic users need to have the Use Identity features permission in order to get the App Launcher. Question number 7, describe delegate administrative duties. Your answer is: delegated administration duties are used to assign limited admin privileges to users in the organization who are not administrators. For instance, if you want the customer support team manager to manage users in the support manager role, and also subordinate roles, you need to create a delegated admin for this so that you can focus on other administration tasks. Question number 8, what is delegated authentication? Your answer is: delegated authentication is somewhat similar to single sign-on, but it provides a slightly different experience to users. One system relies on another system to validate user credentials with delegated authentication. For instance, one can configure their Salesforce organization to rely on a lightweight directory access protocol server, so as to validate credentials. Both SSO and delegated authentication allow users to log into multiple apps with one set of credentials. Moreover, with delegated authentication, users must log in separately to each app. Question number 9, define login flow. Your answer is: a login flow directs the users through a login process before accessing a Salesforce organization or Experience Cloud site. One can use a login flow to control the business processes that the users follow when they log into Salesforce. Once Salesforce authenticates a user, the login flow directs the user through a procedure, like collecting user information or enforcing strong authentication. Question number 10, what is the use of API Client Certificate? Your answer is: the API Client Certificate finds its use by workflow outbound messages, delegated authentication HTTPS callouts, and the AJAX proxy. The API Client Certificate should be only known to the organization, for security purposes. Question number 11, what is API anomaly? Your answer is: an anomaly is a user activity that is quite different from the historical activity of the same user. The metadata is used in Salesforce core application logs about API generation and surrounding activities so as to build a baseline model of the historical activity. Then it compares any new API generation activity with this baseline in order to determine if the new activity is different enough to be called an anomaly. Question number 12. What is a connected app developer? Your answer is: a connected app developer is a Salesforce developer or ISV that enables building API integrations or external apps that can access Salesforce data as a connected app. So, as a developer, one can build a connected app for an organization. However, other Salesforce organizations can install and use it too. Number 13. Does Salesforce Authenticator require Wi-Fi? Your answer is: yes, Salesforce Authenticator needs a Wi-Fi connection so as to communicate with Salesforce. For cellular connections, a 3G network or faster is required. For best performance, using Wi-Fi or LTE is recommended. Salesforce Authenticator creates valid verification codes when the device is offline, so that one can still use it to log in to other accounts. One can also see the activity history and list of trusted locations when the device is offline. Question number 14. What is Apex? Your answer is: Apex is a robustly typed, object-oriented programming language that lets developers execute flow and transaction control statements on the platform of Salesforce. Question number 15. What do you know about the Lightning Usage app? Your answer is: the Lightning Usage app allows you to monitor the adoption and usage of Lightning Experience in the organization, with metrics like daily active Lightning Experience users, the most visited pages in Lightning Experience. Also, the app lets you monitor login metrics in the company. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.